So in this video we have the task to write 3 sine x plus 4 cos x in the form r sine of x plus alpha. So the way we're going to do that is we'll write r sine x plus alpha here on the left and make that equal to 3 sine x plus 4 cos x. Some people would like us to write a triple equal sign here to emphasize that we'd like this statement to be true for every single possible value of x. That's a sort of an optional thing there. So now you can expand the thing on the left, so that's r times, and then we have the sine addition formula. We get sine x cos alpha plus cos x sine alpha, and that's still supposed to be equal to 3 sine x plus 4 cos x. Okay, now if we'd like this to be true for every possible value of x, we can actually match up the number of sine x's on both sides. So on the left here we have r and cos alpha times sine x, and on the right we have 3 of them, and that gives us the equation r cos alpha equals 3. And to match up the cos x's, we've got r and sine alpha of them on the left, and on the right we have 4 of them, so that gives us the equation r sine alpha equals 4. Okay, there are 2 different ways to solve this pair of simultaneous equations to find r and alpha. I'll show you my favourite way in this video and an alternative way in the second video. So the way I like to think of this is that r cos alpha is 3 and r sine alpha is 4. It's giving us information about a right-angled triangle. So if I draw a right-angled triangle, and I'll call the hypotenuse r and the angle here alpha, the fact that r sine alpha is 4 tells me that that opposite side there is 4, and r cos alpha is 3 tells me adjacent is 3. And now it's a simple geometry problem to find r and alpha. R, the hypotenuse of this 3, 4, 5 triangle, is just 5, by Pythagoras I guess, and we get tan alpha is 4/3 using a bit of SOHCAHTOA. Now what the value of alpha is depends whether you're working in radians or degrees. So in degrees, alpha is 53.13 degrees, that's to 2 decimal places, or exactly the same angle measured in radians is 0.927 to 3 decimal places. So as our final answer, I guess we could write that 3 sine x plus 4 cos x is always exactly the same as 5 times sine x plus, and I'll write it in degrees, 53.13 degrees. So there we are.